English for Everyone. Coursebook. Level 3, Intermediate. Lesson 26.
I have been painting the house all day. I'm exhausted.
I've been cooking this evening. Now I have to do the dishes. He's been waiting for the bus for an hour. He is going to be late for work.
I have been cooking dinner all afternoon. I'm having a dinner party tonight. They have been playing tennis this morning. Now they're very tired. Tom has been fishing today. He's caught lots of fish. We have been watching TV all evening. Now it's time to go to bed. Irina has been reading a book in the park. She says it's really good. You have been cleaning the apartment all day. It's time for a break. I have been listening to music on the way to work. It helps me relax.
Painting the bedroom. Tiling the kitchen. Making curtains. Fixing the bathtub. Putting up shelves. Fitting a carpet.
I have been painting the house for 3 hours. I have been painting the house since 3 o'clock.
He's been tiling the kitchen for a week. He's been tiling the kitchen since last Wednesday.
I've been tiling the bathroom for 3 weeks. I've been tiling the bathroom for 2 days. I've been painting the walls for 3 weeks. I've been painting the walls for 2 days. She's been tiling the bathroom for 3 weeks. She's been tiling the bathroom for 2 days. She's been painting the walls for 3 weeks. She's been painting the walls for 2 days. I've been tiling the bathroom since noon. I've been tiling the bathroom since April. I've been painting the walls since noon. I've been painting the walls since April. She's been tiling the bathroom since noon. She's been tiling the bathroom since April. She's been painting the walls since noon. She's been painting the walls since April.
He's been cleaning for 5 hours. His parents are visiting the apartment tonight. It's been raining since Saturday morning. I hope the weather gets better soon. You've been gardening since 9 o'clock. You should take a break. I've been swimming for 20 minutes. I'm quite tired, but I'll keep going. She's been baking since 11 o'clock this morning. We'll have lots of cookies to eat later. He's been tiling the wall for 3 hours. I think it will be finished today.
So, how's it all going?
Well, it's all taking longer than I thought.
Oh?
There's just so much to do. I've been painting the outside of the house for 3 weeks. John's been painting the living room since Monday. Jenny's been making curtains for 2 days, but she can't put them up until the paint dries.
I see. Is your family helping?
Of course. Tony's been tiling the roof since Saturday, which is a great help. And Joanne's been doing the gardening for a month. The biggest problems were the kitchen and bathroom. Alex has been fitting the bathtub since January, but it's nearly done now.
Good luck. I hope you can move in soon.
End of Lesson 26.